Today I'm going to show you one of my kids' favorite treats, the giant cinnamon roll. All you need is 2 tubes of your favorite cinnamon rolls from the store to make this recipe. All right, so we just open up our tube. I made these on vacation once, and let me tell you, the kids were asleep and they thought this was the best thing ever. So removing them from the can is always tricky. You are gonna wanna save that cream cheese frosting. All right, so that first cinnamon roll goes right in the center of your pan. And from there, it's really simple. You just take all the other ones and you're gonna unroll them around and around. And I guess you could use as many cans of your favorite cinnamon rolls as the size of your pan. They do expand, which is why it makes one giant cinnamon roll. The first time I made these, I was on a family vacation at the beach, and the kids were besides themselves. And you kind of want to press the sides a little to seal the layers. This is by all means not a healthy breakfast, but again, it is the perfect vacation food. You're just going to bake this exactly as the back of the package directions for your particular cinnamon rolls, and maybe about a minute or 2 longer. The final step is to add some icing right over the top. And this, my friends, is how you make the giant cinnamon roll from our vacation. So if you love this kind of fun, family-friendly food, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you next time. Does this recipe make me the #1 mom? Yeah. What you gonna be when you grow up?
A YouTuber.
You are?
Yeah.
What kind of videos are you gonna make? Are you gonna make me cinnamon rolls in your videos?
I don't know.
No?